My father's name is Jacinto. He is 59 years old. He is tall, has black hair, and dark skin. He is not very fat. He loves to spend time with his family. He is a happy person and never worries about anything. My mother's name is Marta. She is 55 years old. She is short, has black hair, and white skin. She is a little shy. She likes to cook. She is cheerful but sometimes a little angry. My brother's name is Jason. He is 26 years old. He is tall, has straight hair and white skin. He is a bit fat. He likes to go to the park with sun. He is happy and relaxed.